Hello students, welcome you to online teaching eSuvidya. In the previous class, we have started the topic school's goodbye, and the first two paragraphs we have already discussed. Have you gone through the chapter? Okay, then we came to know the writer Lord Eustace Percy advised the school leaving children or the students of class 10 who are about to leave the school after the annual HSC exam that they will do well in their future when they will go for higher studies. So, the writer has extended his best wishes. At the same time, he has given a lot of messages to the students who are about to leave the school. Today, we will continue the topic and know what more he gave as advice to the students. So, look at your books at the page 99. Third paragraph. Very soon you will require to choose a trade or profession. Choose with greatest care and avoid as far as you can any occupation that leads nowhere. Aim rather at work that has in it the promise of an interesting and happy future. And if at first you are forced to take a job that can only last for a short time, try to get one as soon as possible that is to your liking. If at any time you are in doubt as to the choice you should make, don't hesitate to ask advice from one of your teachers. So, dear students, in this paragraph, the writer has advised the students of class 10 to seek the advice of, to take the advice of, to consult the teachers of his school, of her school, wherever necessary. When, if in choosing the profession, any type of doubt arises, then you can take the advice of, you can take the suggestion of your school teachers. So, very soon you will require to choose a trade or profession. When you will choose? After your school life is over. When you will pass the annual high school certificate exam, you will opt for higher studies. You will choose a trade. Do you know? When you will go to college, some students will study +2 arts, some science, some commerce, and some students will opt for other lines, other trade, other faculties. At that time, you will focus on your aim, objective of your life, ambition of your life. Some students want to be doctors, some good engineers, some teachers or teaching profession, lecturer, teacher, and some students also want to become IAS officers. So, there are innumerable trades and professions you can adopt, and that mainly depends upon your school education. So, school education is very, very important. From the very beginning I have told, the school exam, the high school result is the foundation stone. It helps in building a superstructure of your bright future, of your higher study, in fulfilling your ambition of life. So, very soon, that means just after passing the annual HS exam, you have to choose a trade, you have to choose a profession. Choose with the greatest care. How will you choose? Haphazardly, without any judgment, you should not choose. You choose with greatest care, with utmost care, you should choose your profession. Because you know, well begun is half done. If you will start a work finely, keenly, then you will think that half of your problem is solved, half of your work has been done. So, with utmost care, you should choose your profession. Then what more you will do? Avoid as far as you can any profession or occupation that leads nowhere. And you should not adopt that occupation, that trade which leads you nowhere. That means you will be nowhere. That means you are not in choice of that occupation. You are forced or you are bound to accept it. You will not accept it. You will wait and see. You will work hard. You will continue your learning. You will never lose heart. Because failure is the pillar of success. You will continue. Hard work definitely will give you good result today or tomorrow. Aim rather at work that has in it the promise of an interesting and happy future. The writer says, aim at that work which will give you, which will provide you a bright and happy future. That means the job should be up to your satisfaction, up to your contentment. You should be happy with your job. You should be happy with your occupation or trade or profession. If you are not happy, if there is no job satisfaction, you cannot attain your goal. You cannot become a good service provider. And if at first you are forced to take a job that can only last for a short time, try to get one as soon as possible. That is of your liking. See, if you are forced, if you are bound to accept any job, that too not of your choice. जेमिति कि आमर बहुत पिला इंटेलिजेंट पिला थांती से माने बहुत हाई होप रखी थांती डाक्तर हेबे इंजीनियर हेबे कि बड़ आईएएस अफसर गोटे हेबे कि जिते कौन सी दिगरु से माने फ्रुटफुल न होती से माने बाध्य होई कि गोटे फॉर टाइम बिंग गोटे टीचरशिप रे पसी जांती कि गोटे अलगा चाकरी रे पसी जांती जोठी तांकर इंटरेस्ट न थाए चॉइस न थाए ताले सेठी तांको जॉब सैटिस्फैक्शन मिले कि नाही से माने सेठी तांका प्रोफेशन में भलो करि पारंती नाही काहे सेटा तांकर पैशन नुह कंपल्सन में से माने पसी चंती सो दैट जॉब शुड बी योर पैशन you should be lost in your job, in your profession. Then only you can perform well, you can do better. So if you are bound to do any job not of your liking, so you must try as soon as possible, you will come out of that job and you will get another one of your liking, which has a bright future, which has a promising future, in which job you will get self-satisfaction. Then, if at any time you are in doubt as to choice you should make, don't hesitate to ask advice from one of your teacher. Don't hesitate, be reluctant. You should not be reluctant, you should not hesitate. तुमे कुंठाबोध करिबो नाही, द्विधाबोध करिबो नाही, कोथिरे टीचर को पचारिबारे, तांकर एडवाइस नबारे, तांकर सजेशन नबारे, काहे कि तुम ठारू टीचर मानकर निश्चित भाबरे बेटर एक्सपीरियंस अछि. Experience makes a man perfect and a teacher is well experienced, well informed. He is very much informative. So you should not hesitate to take the advice of your teachers. Teachers are always before you and after you. The teachers always want that their students, their pupils should be more highly educated and be set up in higher post than them. Teaching is the noblest profession. Only a teacher can be so noble who wants to see his students in higher place than himself. So you should not be reluctant to take their advice. They are your well wisher. They are your guide. They will definitely guide you in proper way. Now, are you all clear? So this is the paragraph about the future course of action for the 10th class students after they leave their school, after they pass their annual HSC exam. So tell me now, students, how will you choose a trade or profession? Without any thought, haphazardly, or with utmost care? With utmost care. भाभी चिंती कि तुम्हें गोटे ट्रेड बा प्रोफेशन रे पसिबो नुहे कि देन व्हेन यू आर इन नीड, व्हेन यू आर इन requirement or regarding choosing the profession, what will you do? Whose suggestion you will take? The suggestion of your teachers. So this is all about the after school life of the students of class 10. So in the next class we will see what more advice or suggestions the writer has given. Thank you all.